How to book a hotel stay in the MGM Rewards app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with how to delay. Let's jump right in. First, open MGM Rewards app. Here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Destination and select your destination. Press on Next. Select check-in date and check-out date. Press on Find Rooms. After you press on Find Rooms, it will simply reload and search available rooms for you. And here you'll find all these different options of rooms. You can simply click on it if you want one and book from here. After this, you can click on Select Room at the bottom right. Press on Add to Cart and you can book the room you want. This is how to book a hotel stay in the MGM Rewards app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.